In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine data from multiple columns in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll confidently merge values like first and last names, or any two pieces of information, into one clean column without manual copying. Start by opening your Google Sheets document so you can work in the sheet where your data lives. Decide where you want the combined result to appear. Click the cell that will hold the merged value. This is your output cell, and it can be on the same row as the data you want to combine. Now type the formula that does the combining. Enter Gus A2 and B2, replacing A2 and B2 with the actual cells from your sheet. Here's what's happening. A2 is the first piece of data. The ampersand joins pieces together. The quotation marks with a single space in between add a space, and B2 is the second piece of data. When you press Enter, Google Sheets evaluates that expression and shows the two values combined in the selected cell. If you see the result you expect, you can apply it to the rest of your rows. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see the small square handle. Click and drag it down through the rows you want to fill. Google Sheets automatically adjusts A2 and B2 to A3 and B3, A4 and B4, and so on, so each row combines the correct pair. If your data is in a continuous block, you can also double-click that handle to autofill down to the last row of adjacent data. If you prefer a different separator, such as a comma and a space, simply adjust the formula to equal A2 and B2. The idea is the same. The text inside the quotes is exactly what appears between the two values. You can keep it as a space, switch to a comma and space, or use a dash or any other short separator that makes sense for your sheet. A couple of practical notes as you work. The formula is dynamic, meaning if the values in A2 or B2 change, the combined result updates automatically. If one of the cells is blank, you might notice an extra space or a trailing comma in the result, which is normal given the separator you included. And if your data is numeric, it will still combine as text just fine. That's all you need to merge two columns into one in Google Sheets. Open your sheet, choose your output cell, type the formula, press Enter, and drag to fill. Simple, fast, and reliable.